London live session trade review. I'm Rory Kruger and I'll guide you through it. So what we are looking at the moment is the Euro USD 4-hour chart, and this is something that we were considering in the London session today. And now if you remember from a few videos back, guys, that we were in this area here, we were short still on the Euro, and then it took a dive, as you can see in this area, and when we hit this PPA we closed out all our trades and we said this is a very strong key level, and we were expecting either a bounce or a break, but what we wanted to do is just make sure that we're not caught in the trade still when that happens. So what we did is we got out of all our trades here, our short trades, and we said if we get what we're looking for, we'll be initiating some more short trades on this. And as you can see, we're in a short at the moment, and the reason is because of this 4-hour candle here and the next one. We got the 4-hour candle below the PPA, and what we said to the guys in the live room was, look guys, with the 4-hour candle opening below the PPA, we want a retest of that PPA, and then we're going to go short at the 15 level, 142.15. So let's go down to an hourly level and you can have a look and see what I'm talking about. Let me just pull that up there for you. Alright, so there we broke below S1, and by the way, S1 was sitting at 16, right about where the PPA level was. Alright, so S1 is at 16 and we were breaking below that and the PPA, and what I said was in the live room is I want to see price go back up and test that S1 and the PPA level at 15, 142.15. Alright, so that's where our entry was here, 142.15, and as you can see, this candle here, that put us into the trade, and then from there the rest is history. As you can see, it went down, down, down. And so when we hit S2, we took profit off 1/3. When we broke through S2 and retested, that's exactly what we were expecting. When we got halfway between S2 and S3, that's the M level, guys. Remember the midpoint here, the mid pivot. When we got down here and we started seeing some wicks and everything form up here, and it was testing that pivot level, what we did was we took another third of the trade off and then protected profit. Alright, so as you can see, that's our entry. Here's our protected profit for the moment. Here's our stop loss, and it's going down for the moment. So what we're hoping for is a test of S3. We do expect, if it does get down to S3, we do expect a bounce and back up to the mid pivot between S3 and S2, the M level around here. So if it does manage to get all the way down there, we do expect it to come back up and test that level, because price has made a really big drop off the edge at the moment. So we don't know how much more momentum this has. That's why we have not dropped our stop loss too much. We do intend that if it gets to S3, we'll protect a bit more profit, but we do want to give it some wiggle room so that it can at least come up and test the M level without us actually getting out of the trade. Because this is the last third of the trade, we'll just let this one ride as far as possible. Right, so that's basically what we took in the London session today. A really fantastic trade. It yielded good pips for all of us. We were very happy with this trade. So if you guys feel like joining us in the live sessions, we'd love to have you. Pop over to fap-tradershaven.com, and you can join us in the live sessions there, in London live session as well as in the New York live session with Chima Buri. Love to see you there, guys. Cheers.